Okay, we've got a really nice specification, 2025 on a 75 registration, but this is the 26 model year Land Rover Defender commercial, D250 hardtop. This is an S model, but the factory specification is fantastic. It's got everything you need on one of these. Santorini Black Metallic. This is the new model year Defender, so there's slightly changed a few little bits. The front vents here, slight different headlamp design, new rear lights, bigger screen. It's the one to have. It's got our full MASV bespoke styling. So full gloss black grills, the MASV oval badging, gloss black Defender lettering, upgraded bonnet vents. We've got the LED light pod, upgraded side vents, extended wheel arches, front canards to the bumper there. Got these beautiful 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. These have Yokohama Geolander tyres on. Front and rear classic mud flaps. All the bottom door mouldings have been colour coded in gloss black. Side steps, roof rails. And you can see here at the rear, this is the new style rear lights. So they're flat now, smoked, look really good. Gloss black rear bumper, spare wheel cover, gloss black Defender lettering. We've got the rear spoiler as well. So I'm going to start in the back, open the tailgate here. Obviously underfloor storage on a Defender commercial, and we've got all the buttons. What we like to see here is air suspension, and we've also got the electric deployable tow bar. So part of a Pro Pack, I think this one was called, so that includes the air suspension, the towing, electric tow bar, which are great paired up with each other for towing. So that's deployed out there. It can also be done on the screen in the car, so you don't have to get out. So I'm just going to open the door here. In the front, we've got the jump seat, so that allows 3 passengers to sit in the front. That also folds down to a large armrest with cup holders and extra charging ports. Full black leather, rubber mats, cold climate package, so heated steering wheel, heated washer jets, full digital display. This is a delivery mileage vehicle. It's done 29 miles only. You can see the larger screen here. It's about 1 inch bigger than the previous model year. Same size now as a Range Rover Sport. Really nice big screen. Got heated seats. We've also got the clear sight camera. So the mirror is a camera that can be switched to a standard mirror as well. So yeah, really nice factory specification. Jump seat, electric tow bar, and air suspension, which is another big option to have, the air suspension. So all the best options. In Santorini Black. We've got a few of these available. They're very hard to get hold of. This is a full commercial vehicle, so N1 tax efficient, VAT qualifying. You can offset this from your corporation tax. They're great for business use. It's a no-brainer, really. We take part exchange and we can organise finance. Give us a call on 0777 111 2040 and visit us online at www.ma-sv.co.uk. You'll find 20 plus photos and the full specification of this Defender. We've got about 10 more Defender commercials in stock, all delivery mileage. So give me a call. Thank you for watching.